Hi there, it's Amanda from the Natural Hormone Solution. And today I want to share some great insight that we were having during our conversation with our amazing group at the 10-day thyroid and hormone reset experience. And it was really about this topic of boosting our metabolism, right? And thyroid hormone is such a critical player when it comes to energy, when it comes to metabolism, regulating weight, regulating your body temperature. So for so many of us, when we're struggling with weight gain, when we're struggling with just low energy and feeling tired, thyroid function is usually where I start to look first. That's one of the key areas. And the liver, believe it or not, is a primary organ that is going to be such an incremental player in our overall thyroid health. And it's a matter of having some important nutrients that your liver needs to do its job. So all of the cells can be working right. And the reason that the liver is so important for thyroid health is because our thyroid gland located in our neck creates majority of what's called T4 thyroid hormone. That is a form of hormone that needs to be converted into a version called T3, the more bioavailable, the more usable form for our cells around our body to activate energy and to really create all the systems and all the synthesis that we want to have happen, regulation that happens with thyroid hormone. And the liver is where majority of T4 thyroid hormone is converted into T3. So if we have difficulty or suboptimal liver functioning, that is going to have a direct impact very frequently on our thyroid health overall. So many times people are medicating with thyroid hormone and taking, extra TSH, extra T4, even extra T3, and it doesn't necessarily get to the root cause of looking at what is our liver health and is our liver able to do those conversions. And there are a couple of key things that it needs nutrient-wise in order to do those conversions. So I want to share with you some ideas about getting amino acids and the importance of having adequate protein in your diet on a regular basis to support overall thyroid health. That's our one pearl takeaway for today. We had a big long discussion about the different types of proteins and how much protein. It's really obviously a bio-individual approach, but it's really understanding that your liver needs the key amino acids and the nutrients in order to do its work, to convert T4 thyroid hormone into the more usable T3 so that you can kick up your metabolism, boost your energy, and release weight for good. Hope that helps. And as always, feel free to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and always stay tuned for more pearls of information.